You know, your back can be a lot like your car. They're not all highway miles, are they? Probably not. In fact, your back has probably been doing a fair amount of off-roading over the years. Hi, I'm Chuck Schulte from Diamond Physical Therapy. You know, whether your back pain has been from an old sports injury, trying to keep up with your kids, shoveling snow, heavy lifting, whether it's grocery bags or something at work, it can get to the point where it feels like your back is never going to be the same again. If this is you, I want to invite you to the low back pain and sciatica workshop that I'm hosting here at Diamond Physical Therapy. You know, like your back and like your car, something doesn't have to be off very much in order for it to lurch or maybe not even start, and your back can be the same way. The problem doesn't always have to be complicated. We just need to find the real cause of your pain and address that. So here's some of the things that you're going to learn at the workshop. We're going to talk about the number one biggest mistake people make with back pain, trying to fix it, that can actually make it worse. We're going to talk about the 3 most common causes of back pain. 2 of them you already know. The third one is something that kind of flies under the radar. It doesn't show up on MRIs or x-rays. A lot of doctors and therapists don't even take the time to look for it. And lastly, we're going to talk about the 3 most effective things you can be doing to get ahead of your low back pain once and for all. So let's get you back on the road and feeling like your old self again. So click on the button to register, and I'll see you there.